Guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here inside my room and I want to ask you a questions. What is the meaning of DG? For me, the meaning of GD is it's about a girl that you're too much ambitious and more materialistic, that even that you can get money from other using other person to have what you want to have in life. But you know what, guys? Based on my experience, I live here in how many years from 2002 until now. I'm still here. I cannot understand why they accusing me like that. I cannot understand why they want to involve my name to different kind of words that it's never exist in my life. I'm not like that. And don't accuse me to be like that. Because I'm the type of person that I came from, my family is not, it's not poor like what you think. It's like, ordinary people in the Philippines. But my parents is a kind of person that they love to work and achieve what they want to achieve even in their own way. But I cannot accept that people destroyed my name using their own story without my explanation. And I cannot understand why they have a groups how to destroy my dignity, my life, talking about my background, my family background. They didn't invite me to join them so I can have right to answer them back because they call me stupid person, no read, no write. I know that it's very hard for me to accept that kind of words because honest is, I'm a high school graduate. I've been in a vocational school in St. Mary's Academies, and I learned how to make dressmaking. I start to take that course already, but suddenly I need to help my parents too. Filipino is like that. We love to help our parents. Yeah. Honest, I help my parents. That's why I stop. I choose to stop because the project is expensive. I cannot support myself as self-supporting as a student. Yes. And you know what? When I'm here in Denmark, I came here in Denmark as an au pair. In English, it's a nanny. You need to learn their culture, language, and work a little, little salary. But honest is, I'm happy to work as an au pair that time, yeah. And then I continue, I met, like what I said, she is father of my daughter that I need to respect his own life, yeah. And I want that he have a private life and I don't need to talk about it. But I cannot accept that, they tell me I'm like this, I'm a bad mother, I'm a bad person, and I start to make trouble. Honest guys, they cannot tell to everybody how I abuse my own daughter. How can I do that? I came from big family, happy big family in Philippines, and I have a lot of relatives. My family in Aklan, I know it's a big family. Yes, and my father bring me when I was a young in Aklan. That some of that I meet already, but I know some of that is died already because that time that my father bring me there, they are old already, so I don't know if they still alive or they are died already. Yes. And then you know what? I cannot understand why they said that I cannot manage to live in this country because I'm not good in English, I'm not good in Danish. Honest guys, I know how to speak two languages. In my country is it's four language already because in Philippines I learned Bisaya, Tagalog, English, Danish, and I cannot understand why they always forcing me for a lot of things. They forcing me to learn their language. I feel like they always criticize me. As simple things, they need to criticize the person, and I feel like, oh my god, I don't have free to do what I want to do. And I'm the type of person that I know how to make hairstyle, I know how to make bouquet, wedding bouquet, yes, even the, you know, small kind of flower that they are using for men, yes, broom and groom. Baka mamaya maging broom. Ayun guys. And then, you know what? I can manage to work in a shop. If they give me a chance to have a training, if they give me a chance to work in the flower shop, I can manage to arrange a flower shop. Okay. And I know how to make you know, my dreams is to continue my dreams to be a clothes designer. And my god, I have a lot. I have a lot of dreams, honest, that I cannot start because, you know, I feel like, oh yeah, you are like that only and you're gonna be like that forever. And now you know what I want? Blogging. I enjoy my life to make blog as a YouTuber. Yes, I want. I'm a new YouTuber here. Yes. I know that there's a lot of Filipino, they are making YouTube. Yeah, using YouTube. Yes. And then and then I cannot understand why they want that you are like that only. You cannot smile, you cannot do this, you cannot do that. And then honest is, I know how to make interior design too. I want to, you know, to experience what other person's doing. And I'm the type of person that I'm willing to learn, guys. It's not I'm not I'm not like the kind of person that I don't want to do this because I'm lazy. No. I'm growing up that my parents learned me how to sell you know, groceries in school. I did when I was elementary. And I mean that my parents teach me to be like independent person, or and I'm sorry, and business minded. Pero hindi ko maintindihan, I cannot understand what they want from me. I stay home to avoid stress outside. Because if I go outside, I know that they don't like me. I know that their face is not happy to see me because I'm going outside. And then they make a noise that I can feel nervous. That's why much better to stay home as long as I can. And of course, guys, I'm still asking help. I need help until now. I want to go back to my own country with my daughter. That's what I want. But if my daughter said no, I will respect that. But this time, I decide to go back. But I need justice. Justice to all what they done to me. Because like what they said, that they treat me like this because I'm GD. And I want that they will check people here, because I discovered something that, oh, there's a lot, but I'm not like that. Because I'm the type of person that in the beginning, I don't care if I cannot get permanent. I don't care if I cannot get papers. But what I want is my daughters, that I can bring her back in Philippines. That's it. And I'll never dream that I will use my ex to stay here because of papers, because I want you know, more ambitious about money, etc. Honest guys, I'm poor. I'm still poor. I'm hoping to earn money using my YouTube channel someday. And I know that I didn't earn yet, but I wish that someday everybody know me, being me, because it came from my mouth, it came from my heart, and I hope that journalists in Philippines, they give me a chance to have, interview, so I can tell the truth, what's happened in my life in so many years in this country, that I come back to Philippines without money. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga subscribers ko. Please share. Thank you. God bless you all.